Today, we are touring a beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home that is perfect for growing families or professionals looking for more space and comfort. Located in the exclusive Hammock Point community, this home blends modern upgrades, an open layout, and a prime location, all in a quiet, gated neighborhood with only 20 homes.
As you come inside, you'll look up and notice spacious ceilings and an open floor plan that creates an exciting atmosphere perfect for entertaining your family and friends.
The heart of this home is this beautiful kitchen, designed for everyday living and special occasions. Featuring Italian stone countertops, white shaker cabinets, and newer appliances, this home is ready for all of your memory making.
The open concept design makes it easy to move between kitchen, dining, and living spaces, creating the ideal location for quiet evenings or a nice, lively gathering.
When you head to the bedrooms, you'll find 3 spacious retreats, perfect for kids, guests, or even a home office. The remodeled bathrooms feature sleek finishes and spa-like details, adding luxury to your daily routine.
For your peace of mind, your home comes with accordion shutters and an impact front door, which is ideal for hurricane protection and to keep you more secure.
Living in Hammock Point means low-maintenance living at its best. The HOA covers landscaping, exterior painting, and roof cleaning, so you can spend more time enjoying life and less time on upkeep. And if you love golf, swimming, or tennis, you're just minutes away from Boca Lago Country Club, where optional memberships give you access to top-tier amenities.
This move-in ready home is the ultimate upgrade to your next chapter. Homes in Hammock Point are a rare find, so schedule your private tour today.